Hello everyone and welcome to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another walk, you know it. And today is no ordinary day, no. It is Sweden's National Day, Nationaldagen. So it's basically Sweden's birthday. Yes, this is a big thing here in Sweden, and I am in Sollentuna, Edsviken to be precisely, and this place is called, I think it's called Edsbergsparken or something like that, I'm not sure, but it is the celebration of Sweden and there's people everywhere here. We're having a celebration, a stage, and yeah, I just wanted to show you what's up. So we're here at the waterfront. It's a nice day. It's not too warm, and actually clouds are coming in now, but who cares, because today is a great day. Everyone's picnicking here in the grass. Everyone has a day off. It's the so-called red day, as we call it in Sweden, where everyone has a day off from work, and here everyone's coming together with their families, with the kids, picnicking, bringing food. They're selling food as well, and you know, everyone is just in a good mood. Very nice. Oh, it smells popcorn here. Nice. Yes, popcorn. Everyone has a Swedish flag everywhere. It's nice, very nice view with the water at the back. They're selling coffee and ice cream and all that kind of stuff. And there is speeches, you know, with information about Sweden. They're organizing games for the kids. Yeah, it's just basically people hanging out. That's the main thing, I would say. So this is just a local celebration in Sollentuna here, but the celebrations are literally everywhere in Sweden. There's a really big one in the city with the royal family and the horses. If you remember correctly, a few months back I did like a little video on Östermalm, and then I was seeing the rehearsals. That was quite cool. There's actually thousands of people here. Very busy. I'm not gonna make a super long video today, but I just wanted to show you the vibe, you know. The vibe of Sollentuna during the National Day. So, Sollentuna Volley Kiosk. What are they selling here? Ah, korv med bröd, hot dogs. Nice. Oh, and ice creams as well. And we will walk towards the main stage there. Oh, I hear some music. Oh, they're singing the anthem, the national anthem of Sweden. Let me get over there. Na, 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 na. What a timing, as if they planned it. Ooh, down. See the choir over there? Tack så mycket Henrik. Och ja, som ni ser så har vi fått förstärkning här på scen av
Such a nice atmosphere here.
gosskör, eller manskören ur Sollentuna gosskör. Välkomna hörni. Det är väldigt tjusigt ut måste jag säga.
Let me just go around here a little bit and walk to the other side. Well, as I said the same thing I think when I was at Valborg. The other celebration a while back is that it doesn't get more Swedish than that. Well, I actually think today is even more Swedish than the other day when I was at Valborg. And why? Because when I went to the city, you know, it's the city center and there's a lot of tourists there. So there's a lot of people filming and a lot of people there just to see what it's about. But here in Sollentuna, there's zero tourists. Everyone is Swedish here, so it is a more, I would say, authentic experience. But let me walk. Oh, I kind of got stuck here. Let me walk around. So yeah, that was the national anthem. That was nice. They have a full program that started at like 1 o'clock and it will go on until 4 o'clock. So this thing here is not so much about like drinking or partying or whatever yet. So a lot of the people go home after. So this is more of a family thing with the children, and as you can see here, everyone's coming with the bicycle, but then they probably go to their homes, and then it becomes more of a party thing. So they go and having a barbecue at home, and then yeah, maybe then there's more of a alcohol involved. It's a bit windy, so I hope you can properly hear me. See, that's what I mean, a lot of bicycles. Nice. So in general, this is a very beautiful spot here, Edsviken. I did a video here before. Actually, my first video here in the winter was actually when I was walking along there, all the way up there. A lot of ducks. Unfortunately, it's not so sunny anymore and a bit windy, but well, I do what I can. Here there's a little bit of an activity for both kids and adults from the Sollentuna Canoe Club. So I think it's for people to test out canoeing for the first time. See, it says here Sollentuna Canoe. Was it fun? Well, he seems to know what he's doing, so that's good. Oh, I like this tree. Well, I don't think there's so much more to show than this. So again, a little bit of a shorter video today, sorry about that. I don't think there's any point in me circling around here for half an hour. For half an hour. Oh. Now soon the symphonic orchestra, symphony orchestra. I just made it up. I don't know if that's the translation, but
och det kommer vi fortsätta med under hela dagen till ära. Och den här underbara festen som vi ser här bakom mig, Sollentuna Kulturkroppen, den har sin bas på kulturskolan och består av en tredjedel elever från kulturskolan, en tredjedel lärare från kulturskolan och en tredjedel vuxna amatörmästare. ett åldersspann från 15 till 80 år. Och alla de här kräver ju inte. Varsågoda, här kommer nu för kärlekens skull.
Oh, this guy is really good in singing. What's happening here? They're selling flags and stuff. That's nice. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. And happy National Day, Sweden. Bye bye.